I just had to share these super festive stuffed pigs in blankets with you. It will take your Christmas dinner to the next level. Start by slicing a few pieces of Brie. I use about half of a length of Brie in each sausage. Slice each of your sausages lengthways, about halfway through. You don't want to cut all the way to the bottom. And then spread your sausages open to prepare for filling. Once all of your sausages have been sliced, drop a teaspoon of cranberry sauce into each one. If you're not a fan of cranberry, why not try a mango chutney or a red onion marmalade? Spread the jelly so it completely coats the inside of your sausage. Pop a piece of Brie into each opening and gently squish your sausage back together. Wrap each of your stuffed sausages with a few slices of bacon. 2 or 3 rashers should do it. You want to make sure all of the Brie and jam has been completely covered in bacon. This will prevent the filling from leaking out. If you're cooking these in an air fryer, set it to 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your sausages into your air fryer with the filling side up. You want to make sure the bacon stays wrapped around the sausages. They'll need to cook for 18 minutes or until beautifully golden on top. If you're cooking them in the oven, just add a few minutes to the cook time. Once they're sizzling and golden and the bacon looks nice and crispy, they're ready to enjoy. Dress up your plate to make them extra festive. These are perfect hot out of the oven or even delicious enjoyed cold. So why not up your pigs in blanket game and put a few on your plate this Christmas?
Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.